Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to start doing the final assembly on this thing. And what you want to do is give this thing a beautiful metallic paint job and then put the ugliest possible water pump pulley on there. Got that taken care of, got the harmonic balancer on there. And right now I'm going to put plugs in it. I'm going to put my oil filter sandwich plate in there, as well as a new oil filter. The sandwich plate is for my oil cooler. And then I need to put all the plugs in. I need to take this plug out and put a water temperature sensor in there. I need to get my oil pressure. This is my oil pressure feed for the turbo. I need to get the turbo hung on there. I need to get the drain line hooked up. And I need to put the intake and exhaust manifolds on there, as well as hang the turbo. So I got a little bit of work to do. I think I'm going to get that started now. So what you really want to do when you take a Ford 300 that's been sitting in the weeds for 19 years and you drag it out, you want to get it running and immediately put a huge turbo on it. And then you'll run it really hard for 5 years. And then what you want to do to make sure it lives is go 3 years in between oil changes, you know. Well, it hasn't run since September, but 2 years between oil changes, you know. Just quick tech tip. Here's a progress update. I got the turbo mounted up. I have a brand new return line hose. This is just some 3/8 hose that I get from a local hydraulic shop. So I've got a new hose I need to throw on there. I was just messing with you guys. I threw a little black spray paint on this water pump pulley. Got my sandwich plate on. New oil filter. As always, Motorcraft FL1A. Got my spark plugs in there, gapped to 30 thousandths. I've got my water temperature sending unit threaded in there. The last thing really that I need to do is put my intake and exhaust manifold on, and I'm waiting on that because I decided I'm gonna go get all new stainless bolts because I'm tired of looking at those ugly rusty ones that have been on the truck for 5 years, and I may see if I can get some heavy washers too. And I also need to put my T in here with my oil pressure sending unit and the hose to feed the turbo. And those are pretty much the last two things that I need to wrap this thing up. I also need a pipe plug in there. Don't let me forget. But yeah, making good progress. Gonna go pick up some bolts and maybe tomorrow. No, probably not. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. Probably next weekend. This thing will get dropped in the truck. Oh yeah, motor mounts. Gotta put those on. They're drying. I painted them black again. The red was starting to show through. For those who, actually, you guys never saw that, but many, many moons ago, the original engine was red. Not original. The engine was red when I got the truck. Don't know why. Took it out and painted it blue before I turboed it. And that was probably 5 years ago. So, yeah, those are the last few things. Waiting on paint to dry and waiting on new bolts. I will update you guys when I make some progress. Well, I certainly appear to have what looks like a complete engine. Got my motor mounts on there, intake and exhaust on there, my homemade header. Got the turbo mounted. I got the turbo drain, brand new hose in there. Oil feed line. I'm thinking that maybe I should get a 45 for this. Motor mount, oil filter sandwich plate, oil pressure sending unit. I got pipe plugs in all these holes. I can't put the distributor in yet because I need to prime the oil system first. But yeah, we're looking pretty complete. Man, that looks good, doesn't it? Can't forget the clutch rod thingy-majigger bob. Yeah, looking pretty good. I would drop the motor in tomorrow, but it's supposed to be like 39 and raining / snowing all day, so I'm probably not going to do it then. I'd rather just wait until I have time. Hopefully next weekend, but maybe the one after that, it'll probably be in the 50s or 60s. I'd much rather do it when the weather's nice. But yep, dare I say it, I think that's a complete motor. That's probably going to be it for this video. So thanks for watching. Until next time, this has been Wasted Paycheck Garage.